iba't ibang personalidad ng isang Lasalliano. Mapababae, lalaki, kekoy, maganda, suplada, nerd, at kung ano-ano pa ay dapat magdaan sa isang personality development upang maisaayos at maihanda natin ang ating sarili paglabas ng universidad patungo sa industriya. Kaya naman ang dalawang recognized student organizations ay nang imbita para sa isang seminar tungkol sa personality development kamakailan lang na ginanap sa CPHM building ng ating universidad. Ang MadCraft 2014 seminar ay proyekto ng DLSUD Communication and Media Society at ng Junior Marketing Association ng De La Salle University, Dasmariñas. Dinaluhan ito ng mga estudyante mula sa iba't ibang kurso. Karamihan dito nagmumula sa Marketing Department ng DLSUD. Present din ang communication students ng CLA.
Narito po tayo ngayon sa Salamanca Mall sa CPHM kung saan ginanap ang MadCraft 2014 seminar nitong Marso 26. Ang MadCraft 2014 seminar ay isang personality development and personal brand seminar na dinaluhan ng ating mga speakers na si Mr. Jason Lo at ang Mindmaster na si Mr. Nover Lasala.
Isa sa mga speakers si Mr. Jason Lo, isang successful businessman. Siya ay dumadalo na talaga sa mga public speaking seminars upang maibahagi sa mga tao ang kanyang mga naging karanasan. Mahigit 200 na ang kanyang mga naduluhan sa isang dekada. Kabilang sa mga ito ay mga pa-seminar ng kumpanya, universidad, sales rallies at mga non-profit organizations. Tunay nga namang magaling itong si Mr. Jason Lo.
What do you see? It's a picture of a lady. Is the lady young or old?
Young.
Well, you saw a picture of an old lady. Can you raise your hand? A picture of a young lady. Good. Some of you saw this. Okay? A picture of an old lady. Some of you saw this. A picture of a young lady. This is what you call a parallel image. This is from the book of the late Stephen Covey, The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. And this is what you call a parallel image. It means that it is a picture or an image with two different angles. A picture, gawin natin colored, of that of an old lady and a young lady combined. Do you see it? It means that different is not bad. Some of us, we have a perspective of an old lady, while some have a perspective of seeing a young lady. But different is not spelled B-A-D. Different is spelled G-O-O-D, which is?
Good.
Which is?
Good.
Good. So yung differences natin, we should celebrate our differences. Become who you are by knowing.
Ating nakapanayam ang presidente ng Communication and Media Society na si Tommy Adrias na nag-organize ng event kasama ang
Bakit
Jonah.
kayo nag-decide na mag-tie up for this event?
Actually, kasi naramdaman naman namin na Communication Media Society and JMA or Junior Marketing Association is somehow alike. So parang may pagkakaparehas kami. Somehow, we share the same goals, lalo na dito sa mga activity katulad nito. We came up with MadCraft 2014, Personality Development and Personal Branding Seminar, which aims to uplift yung core ng bawat isa sa atin na personality development ka sa personal branding. So, we got the two top speakers, Mr. Nover Lasala and Mr. Jason Lo, as our speaker for this afternoon. And as we see it, we expect na yung mga attend dito sa activity na to, somehow they will see difference from themselves after attending this
What are
activity.
the goals and objectives of this project?
goals and objectives, simple lang naman. We want to spark change sa pag-iisip or matter of perspective ng mga iba't ibang students attending this activity, and we believe that this Madcraft activity is beneficial to all the attendees. Lalo na personality development siya and personal branding.
Nakaroon pa ba ng future tie-ups ang JMA and COMSOC?
So far, wala pa naman pag-uusapan, but we are looking forward for another tie-up activity with JMA and COMSOC. Because yung COMSOC naman, in our part, we acknowledge such tie-up or partnerships because we believe na yung mga organisasyon na nagtutulungan will go a long way. At katulad nga nitong Madcraft, we are very fortunate and we are very excited na magkaroon pa ng mga activities more like this.
Invite everyone to join the DLSUD COMSOC next semester.
I am personally inviting you all to join us next school year for another meaningful year, for another productive year. Sana makasama namin kayo maging miyembro ng aming organisasyon, and naniniwala kami na with us binding together as a team, malayo ang marating natin, marami tayong magagawa.
Si Mr. Nomer Lasala naman ang nagpasaya ng hapon ng mga dumalo sa Madcraft bilang pangalawa at huling speaker ng event. Si Nomer ay isang mentalist at psychic entertainer. Kanyang ibinahagi kung paano niya binuo ang kanyang sarili bilang isang kilalang Nomer Lasala.
Hi, good afternoon everyone. My name is Nomer and I'm a mentalist. I read minds. I figure out what people are thinking. Yeah, so I'm sure nagiging conscious na kayo about your thoughts. So, yung gagawin natin this afternoon is a combination of entertainment and education. Yeah, what's your name? Sorry? Fides. Fides, I need, first gusto ko muna malaman kung paano ka mag-isip. No? Fides, when I snap my finger, look at me, when I snap my finger, I need you to name any two shapes, two simple shapes. Example is a square, right? And then I need you to imagine them in such a way that you put one shape inside the other. Yung isang shape nasa loob ng isa pang shape. When you're ready, I snap my finger now. And what is the shape, or what are the shapes that you thought of? Rectangle and circle. Fides, believe me, believe it or not, now I know kung paano ko mag-isip. One more. 1, 2, 3! One more. 1, 2, 3! Break.
Hindi rin naman nagpatalo ang Mind Master na si Mr. Nomer Lasala dahil nagpakita siya ng maraming tricks sa ating mga audience.
Nag-enjoy naman ako, tsaka masaya siya, at as a marketing student, nakita ko na in what he did, doon natin na ma-market yung sarili natin to express how talented we are, at tsaka na-inspire niya yung iba na ilabas yung talents nila.
Ay,
Yun
oo
lang.
nga,
Thank you.
nung padaan nga ako nun sa Salamanca Hall tapos na-amaze ako dun sa yung Mind Master, yung kay Nomer. Ang galing-galing lang.
Iba't iba man ang personalidad, masasabing ang bawat isa ay may K upang ma-develop at mapabuti ito, sa gayon magkaroon tayo ng sariling tatak o pangalan sa industriya.
Masasabing naging matagumpay ang Madcraft 2014 seminar pagkat dinaluhan ito ng maraming mga estudyante. Marami din silang mga natutunan galing sa speaker tulad sa iba't ibang klase ng personality at syempre kung paano mas maiaangat ang sarili mo sa ibang mga tao. Ito po si Annie De La Torre at ito ang Madcraft 2014.
This is a Cinema Production.